All right, we are in for some wet weather in the coming days.
Yeah, one nice thing about the drought, no standing water, no mosquitoes.
It's true.
Not necessarily
It does help.
the best way of looking at that, but I suppose as we're trying to spin this thing positively, we'll look at it that way. Lainey, what are you seeing as far as the rainfall is concerned?
Well, at least we have a number of chances for rain over the next few days. Take a look at Winston-Salem today. Breezes, right? It was warm and it was windy out there. Now the breezes are going to stay with us as we head into the day on Wednesday. We also have an opportunity for some passing showers, maybe even some isolated thunder. Thankfully, our severe risk very low across the area. As for rain amounts, it depends. If you get underneath a thunderstorm, could see some higher totals. But right now, it's going to be varied across our area. So shower and storm chances on Wednesday with temperatures close to 80 degrees, but then cooler as that front starts to move in on Thursday, and then some milder air heading into the holiday weekend. Temperature right now 67 in Greensboro and Reedsville. We're 60 right now in Danbury, 58 in Stewart, 66 in Lexington. So these temperatures are pretty mild. The winds are a lot lighter than they were earlier. Still kind of breezy across the eastern part of the Triad, and it is that south wind that is keeping all of this mild air in place. That's why I think we're going to see upper 70s again tomorrow. But then notice how much colder it is out over St. Louis, Kansas City. So on the other side of that front, there is some cooler air. There's a lot of moisture with it right now. We're going to see kind of waves pushing in here. Tomorrow, the severe storm threat builds down to our south. So it's over Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, potentially isolated severe storms that are just to our southwest. We could have some rumbles of thunder, not only tomorrow, but also into the day on Thursday with that severe threat staying down to our south. So you're noticing this rain getting a little bit closer. The question will be how much of this actually holds together when it gets east of the mountains. The trend as of late is for this to kind of fall apart, and we don't anticipate necessarily widespread rain, but I do think we'll see some showers. I think you'll have a better chance the closer you are to the North Carolina-Virginia border with this first wave, but we will see at least some passing showers. Definitely a lot of clouds in the forecast tomorrow. I think we'll get a little bit of a lull around lunchtime, may see some breaks in the clouds, and then in the afternoon we have room for at least a few pop-up showers and storms. That time frame anywhere between 4 o'clock to about 10 o'clock. And again, those will be kind of scattered, so that's not really widespread rain either. Got a high temperature of 77 degrees. You've got winds out there. I do think you'll have a dry window in the middle part of the day, and then some rain chances kind of bookending your morning and perhaps your evening. High temperature up to 75 tomorrow in the foothills. Kind of a similar story here. We're looking at rain perhaps in the morning in the mountains, thinning out. High temperature up to 71, and then perhaps some of those late day storms. Now you look at tomorrow night, the focus I think for some of the heavier rains is going to stay down to our south. You see all of that moving across South Carolina. That is the next big wave that comes in tomorrow night into early Thursday. So we're hoping we'll get something from that. If not, we'll likely see a few showers and storms perhaps popping up with the actual cold front on Thursday. So we'll be watching this very closely over the next couple of days and hoping for some much needed rain. We're definitely going to cool off some, and then we'll warm right back up, getting closer to 80 degrees again by Mother's Day with a small chance of rain then.
Thanks, Lainey. Here's one of the strangers.